Let us create our first surface application. Go to the file menu, select new project. I have already installed the Surface SDK, so I am able to see Surface in my installed template. You can select Windows Touch and WPF for the surface. Let me give a name. My surface app. Click on the OK button. Visual Studio has created a project template for you. We are ready to start. Let us see the folder structure. Click on the Solution Explorer. You can see a project here and few XAML files. If you have some experience with WPF, you may find the structure similar to that. We have a XAML file here. Let me double click and open it. It's getting loaded. Yes. So you can create the interfaces for Surface using XAML. Let me expand this a bit. So you can see a preview here. Okay. In this demo, let us try to add a few images on the Surface device. To do that, we have a built-in control called scattered view. Before that, let me open the toolbox. In the toolbox, you can see we have some common WPF controls which we can use with the surface. Also, we have specific controls made for the surface, like we have scattered view item, surface button, we have library stack item, we have library bar item. For this demo, we will be using scatter view. Let me add a scatter view control. I'll add a scattered view control. Okay. Let me give a name. Let us specify the item. Item template. Let us add a data template within that. Okay. Let me add an image control. Source. I'll specify this as binding so that from my code behind I'll be binding the source for this image. To do that, I'll mention it as binding. Let me close this up. Okay. Let me save this. So that's all we have to do in the front end. First, let me see where few images are located on my PC. Go to Windows Explorer. I have a folder pictures, public pictures, sample pictures. Okay, we have these images here. I would try to display all of this on my Surface device. Let me copy the path. Okay, now you can open up the code. So the name of the class is Surface Window 1 and you have a constructor here After initializing the component, let me try to bind those images into my control. For that, I'll write this code: scatter dot item source equals system dot io dot directory of, let me give the path here, just pasted it, and I'll mention star.jpg as the filter so that the surface would display all the JPEG images. Okay, I think I missed one thing here, dot get files. Okay, so far so good. So that's all we have to do. Let us try to run our first Surface application and see how it looks. Okay, this is a simulator. Actually, this is a surface simulator which is provided by the SDK. So you can see here, I can click on the surface and you can see a few gestures coming up. Actually, on a real surface device you will have a lot of other options, as this is a emulator, is a scaled down version, so you can do only few actions here. So I have already added images. Let us see what happens when we try to move them. Okay, as you can see here, I am able to move these images just similar to how we can do it on the actual surface. Let me try to do something else. Yes, this is behaving exactly like how it would behave on the actual surface device. Interesting, right? In this demo, actually I don't want to show you a lot of other things that may confuse you, but as a small example, this should convince you that surface has a lot of capabilities, and it should give you an option for you to start exploring more and more. And for me, it's much interesting. I'll try to explain some more things in future. That's all for now. Thank you.